Ever wondered if your savings are truly working for you? Like, really working? You stash your hard-earned cash in a savings account, and it just sits there, right? But what if it could be doing more? What if it could be growing, even by a little bit, just by being safe and sound in the bank? That brings us to a pretty important question, especially if you're banking with First Foundation. Just what kind of interest are we talking about on their savings accounts? It's not always the most exciting topic, I know. Interest rates can sound a bit dry and technical. But trust me, understanding this tiny percentage can actually make a real difference to your financial health over time. Think of it as your money earning little baby versions of itself. Now, First Foundation Bank, like any financial institution, offers various types of savings accounts. They might have basic savings accounts, high-yield options, or even specialized accounts tailored for specific needs. And guess what? The interest rate isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It can actually vary depending on the type of account you hold, the amount of money you've deposited, and sometimes even the overall economic climate. So, you might be thinking, okay, enough with the build-up. Just tell me the number. And I get it, you want the nitty-gritty details. However, directly stating a specific interest rate here might not be the most helpful approach. Why? Because these rates can change. Banks adjust them based on market conditions and their own internal policies. What's true today might be slightly different tomorrow. Therefore, instead of giving you a potentially outdated number, let's talk about the best ways to find the most accurate and up-to-date information for your specific situation. First and foremost, the official First Foundation Bank website is your best friend. Head over to their savings account section. They usually have detailed information about the different account types they offer, along with their current interest rates. Look for a dedicated page or a frequently asked questions (FAQ) section. Another excellent resource is to directly contact First Foundation Bank. You can give them a call or visit one of their branches. Speaking with a customer service representative will allow you to ask specific questions about their current savings account interest rates and any potential tiers or conditions that might apply based on your deposit amount. They can provide you with personalized information tailored to your needs. Don't forget to also look at the fine print. Sometimes there might be introductory offers with higher interest rates for a limited time or certain conditions you need to meet to qualify for the advertised rate. Understanding these details will help you make informed decisions about your savings. Finally, while you're doing your research, it's always a good idea to compare the interest rates offered by First Foundation with those of other banks and financial institutions. This will give you a broader perspective and help you ensure you're getting a competitive return on your savings. Remember, even a small difference in interest rates can add up over the long term. So, while I can't give you a definitive, unchanging number right here and now, I've equipped you with the knowledge and the tools to find the exact interest rate for First Foundation Bank savings accounts that applies to you. Go forth, do your research, and make your money work a little harder. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.